Hello guys, today I will teach you how to use SAMP and create database. First, just go to new, then below create database, just input your database name, then click create. Then in MySQL, just input this code and click go to create table. Then we will insert into our table, then click go. Then we will export our table. Just click export, then click export again. Then we'll delete our database. Then I will show you how you can restore your database. Just create a new database name the same with the one you deleted, then export. I import, choose file, then choose the file you export earlier, then click import. Then we successfully import our table.